If you think walking is enough exercise, think again, because millions of people walk every day and see zero results. No fat loss, no strength, no stamina. The truth is, walking is comfortable, not transformational. And if you want a body that is leaner, stronger, and healthier, you need exercises that push your muscles and metabolism harder without spending hours in the gym. So today, you're going to discover 5 exercises that are scientifically proven to outperform walking. And number 4 will shock you. Number 1, squats. You don't need weights. Your own body weight is enough. Squats activate glutes, quads, and core all at once, burning calories even after you finish training. Just 30 squats a day can beat an hour of walking in muscle activation. Number 2, jumping jacks. Simple, explosive, and perfect for the heart. This full-body movement ignites the metabolism and burns fat 3 times faster than walking. Do them in short bursts, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, and you'll feel the energy shift instantly. Number 3, lunges. Lunges build balance, leg strength, and protect your knees. They specifically shape your thighs and glutes, areas that walking barely challenges. If you want toned legs, lunges are non-negotiable. Number 4, the plank. This might surprise you, but nothing strengthens the core, back, and posture as efficiently. Walking burns calories. Planking rebuilds your posture and protects your spine. Start with 20 to 30 seconds a day and progress. Number 5, burpees. If you want maximum results in minimum time, nothing beats burpees. They target legs, arms, chest, core, and lungs all in one movement. Do 5 to 10 burpees daily, and you'll feel your body transform faster than you ever expected. Walking is great, but these 5 exercises reshape your body. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you.